Sometimes I look inside, afraid of what I'll find, the broken dreams and scars I've left behind. But every step I've taken, every fall I've faced, led me to this moment where I find my place. I've been running from the truth, hiding from the pain, but in the quiet of the night I call my name. There's a fire in my heart that's learning to forgive, and a voice that whispers, you've still got life to live. I'm staring at the mirror of my soul, tracing all the stories that I've told. I see the fighter and the one who fell, but I know I'm stronger than the lies I used to sell. Through the doubt and the fear, I'm learning to be whole, standing tall in the mirror of my soul.
Yeah, I've been lost, I've been chained, trapped in my mind, felt the pain. But every scar, every bruise I gained was just another step. Yeah, I'm breaking the chain. I've been down, but I'm rising again, rewriting my story, shedding old skin. The mirror's just glass, but the truth's in my heart. I'm building a new me, turning my art. No more lies, no more shame. I'm walking this path, I'm staying in the game. It's my time now, no more being scared. I'm standing here proud, no longer impaired. Lost in the crowd, I wore 1,000 faces. Never felt at home in all those empty places. But now I'm shedding skins I never meant to wear, finding who I am when I'm completely bare. I've been drowning in regret, haunted by the past, but I'm reaching through the darkness, finding light at last. There's a fire in my